Hi guys, we're still in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and today we stay in such a cool two-level modern house on the rooftop. And it costs us $34 per night. Let's see. I feel like I'm in my 3D visualization. The space is so modern and we can call it contemporary style. You can see that we have stairs and a huge window. And the thing is, maybe we don't have too many square meters in this space, but because of these grand elements, it creates such a nice atmosphere. And again, what do you think? Is it match for you to parkour?
Hold the camera. Parkour! Oh. Ta-da! That's it for today. You like it?
Yeah.
How was my performance?
Bravo.
Yeah.
And let's see the details. You can see this common area is good for work, hangout or chill. And here we have a kitchen. It's so stylish. It's in a black color, really cool. And on this side we have a big island. And you can see that it's made in two levels. So on this kitchen side you can also cook, and another side it's a bar table. So you can sit here, have a food or work. Yesterday I was working on my script exactly here. And behind this sliding door we have our private laundry.
She loves washing machine and dryer. If we have it while we're traveling, she's so happy, I tell you.
Yes, I like to be clean, you know. And let's move on to the living room. It's my favorite one. Look at the space. Such huge, and you feel so free. We have a small couch here and a rug. So if you have some guests, you can chill here, right here. So soft rug and bright. Coffee table and opposite TV wall. I love this place because it has some number of drawers, shelves. It's very practical and minimalist. You can hide all stuff that you need inside. And look at this material. It's like a mirror with a bronze color on the top.
You said it's like a mirror? Yeah.
Yes, yes. Actually, we use the same in the kitchen. And here a cabinet in front of this amazing window. Look. We are actually located now on the 22nd floor. Can you imagine? Oh my god, you feel like you are a bird. And to work here, such a pleasure. I never could imagine that the working place could be such cool in such area. For creative person, it's definitely good. And take a look at that lighting. Actually, it's funny, but I use such lighting in one of my projects. And let's go and discover upstairs. You can see that we have our private balcony. It's so cool in such a small house.
From stairs you can feel how high is the ceiling. And look at the curtain. Maybe this is the longest curtain I have ever seen in my life. And also you don't have to close it because there's no one can watch you. Of course, if there's a not creepy person trying to look you from binocular or something. Let's see the bedroom.
Here our bedroom. You can see that we have double bed and here one more. So it's so thoughtful of our landlords. Here can stay a family. And take a look at this balcony from bedroom side. It has such a nice folding windows. You can come here. And also you can close these curtains to protect you from sunlight in the morning. Or actually one person can sleep, another person can hang out downstairs, and we have such a sliding door to make sound isolation. And at this side we have a bathroom. Also it has such a cool planning. Look, you can play with this sliding door. You are passing wardrobe and come to bathroom. It's simple. We have sink, toilet and shower. The house house is modern, but what caught me the most is of course 2 levels and an amazing view. And this huge window kinda inspire you for great things. It kinda say you can do it, you can do everything. And the stairs gives dynamic and fun.
All around the apartment there are shops and cafes for every budget, and I also catch that there is a lot of clubs and bars. If you're a party person, you might love it here. That was it for today, guys. Thank you for being with us, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next house tour. Bye bye!